How to connect mobile Wi-Fi hotspot to laptop Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Wi-Fi and right click on it and then open Network and Settings. In here, click on Wi-Fi located on left side. Then you will find Show Available Networks on top. In here, if you have allowed your hotspot for mobile to turn on, you will find it here. Simply click on Connect. Enter the network security key, which is the password of your hotspot. After you have added password, simply click on Connect and it will be connected to your mobile hotspot. If mobile Wi-Fi hotspot is not visible on mobile laptop, simply go to mobile and make sure it's visible to all the devices. After that, you're good to go. That's how to connect mobile Wi-Fi hotspot to laptop Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.